Hello, thanks for tuning in to another episode of Digital Nomad Ventures. My name's Mike. I'm currently in Koh Samui in the Lamai area, and I was just riding my motorbike around after lunch, and I want to show you around this area right now during the pandemic. Almost all the businesses are closed. There's a few massage parlors still open, and I guess maybe a few hotels. This one behind me right now is completely shut down. And so I just want to show you around the area a little bit, and so you can see what it's like during this pandemic. It's really, really bad. I mean, there's very few people here. I think 7-Eleven and Family Mart's still open, but other than that, everything is closed up. So this place right here, oh wow, look, there's actually a 7-Eleven right here that's boarded up with newspaper, and it's completely closed, which is something that you don't very frequently see in Thailand. Almost always the 7-Elevens stay open, but that one's closed up. And yeah, pretty much everything, all the restaurants are shut down, the bars, a few massage parlors are still open, but for the most part everything's closed. What a shame, what a shame. But certain areas like Bangkok and Bukut and certain areas are still busy. Oh wow, look at this. There's a resort right across the street over here. It looks like I think it's just abandoned. And a lot of these businesses are never going to come back again. They're just closed for good because they've either gone bankrupt or, who knows what's happened. This one looks like it's been abandoned for a while. Oh. But there's also a big opportunity if you want to invest in real estate in Koh Samui. Now would be the time to buy. Unfortunately, I don't have any money to invest, but yeah, I mean, look at this place. It's just a total mess. But looks like it's been abandoned for a while now, even before the pandemic. But yeah, you just walk straight ahead and you got the beach right here. And it looks like there's a big infinity pool over here too. But there's no swimming allowed on Lamai Beach to prevent the spread of COVID, which doesn't make any sense to me, but those are the rules. You can still swim in other places like Bangkok. Bangkok's still pretty busy because there's a lot of retirees and expats living there. One of my friends actually has a little bungalow right on Bangkok Beach, and he recently got his retirement visa because he's over 50 years old and has a certain amount of money in the bank, so he was able to get his retirement visa, which is awesome. And yeah, but let me show you around a little bit more. I'm gonna flip my camera around. This is the Lamai area of Koh Samui. Looks like this place used to be a coffee shop. I think last time I was here a few months ago, it was still open. Now it's closed. This place is closed as well. It's just so crazy. This pandemic is killing the economy in Thailand. And like I said earlier, most of these businesses are never going to come back again. They're shut for good. Looks like this used to be a Thai food restaurant. It's completely empty. What a shame. Here's a taxi. I doubt there's much business right now. Looks like this place is still open. They have flight bookings, international and domestic. as well as boat, bus, and train. But the ferries are going to stop running on January 11th. I'm pretty sure that you can still come from the Domsak Pier in Surat Thani. You can come to the islands, but you can't travel between the islands, which seems backwards to me. But I guess that's the way it is. I've got a place here, the Full Moon House Samui. Looks like they have rooms for rent, but I'm pretty sure it's closed. Looks dead as a doornail. Thankfully, I have a place to stay in Chaweng Noi. Beautiful luxury villas. And I'm working with the owner over there on marketing and photography. Very grateful for that. But I mean, yeah, this place is it's completely dead. There's nothing, no businesses are open right now. Got some pups here. Hey, buddies. Uh-oh. Oh, no. It's okay. Don't worry. Maybe I should go this way. This is the Samui Since Beach Resort. I'm not sure if it's open. Let's take a look real quick. I would think this place is probably closed as well. But I want to start working with more hotels and resorts here on the island, helping them with marketing and photography. But yeah, looks like this place is also closed. It's beautiful though. Let's take a look around a little bit. It's definitely closed right now, but oh, these fish look really hungry. I don't have any food for them though. Can barely afford to feed myself. But yeah, look at this place. Yeah, I wouldn't mind staying here for a few nights if it was open. It's completely empty. What a shame. And I'm assuming it just goes straight to the beach. Lamai is normally a very popular area in Koh Samui. It's sort of like a hippie, kind of counterculture part of Koh Samui. But yeah, now it's just severely affected by the pandemic. This is a really nice place, though. I wouldn't mind owning a hotel in Koh Samui if I could find an investor or something. But yeah, this is a beautiful place. Wow. There's a lot of opportunity here for sure. After this pandemic's over. We've got a restaurant and bar area down here. Right on the beach. Check it out. Oh, incredible. Look at that. I might just swim in the ocean anyway, regardless of the law. I didn't bring my bathing suit though, unfortunately. But yeah, absolutely beautiful. Living in paradise. Basically got the whole place to myself. Thanks so much for watching another episode of Digital Nomad Ventures. I've been showing you around the Lamai area in Koh Samui, Thailand. As you can see, it's sort of a disaster zone. All the businesses are closed, but I still think there's a big opportunity here, especially once this pandemic is behind us. If you're interested in buying real estate, now would be the time to do it and start investing into the economy here in Koh Samui and other parts of Thailand. I'm going to be releasing more video updates over the coming weeks. I'm planning on spending my lockdown here in Koh Samui. It's not for sure yet whether there will be a total lockdown like there was before, but the ferries are going to stop running to the other islands on January 11th in a few days. So I'll definitely keep you guys updated on developments from here. And it's looking like you should still be able to get to the islands from Suratani. There's no official announcement yet, but again, I'll keep you guys updated, and please subscribe to this channel, hit that red subscribe button. Until next time, take care, stay safe, peace from Thailand.